Hello kabayan! Gawa tayo ng fried smelts. Isa ito sa mga favorite kong ulam. Super crunchy at super sarap. Kukunting mga ingredients lang yung mga kakailanganin natin. For this recipe, meron tayong 1 pound smelt o kahit na anong klaseng maliliit na isda yung available dyan sa inyo. Ilagay sa bowl, grate some fresh ginger. Ready na natin yung mga dry ingredients, onion powder, garlic salt, chives, lemon pepper, and sea salt. Haluin ng mabuti. We'll also add 1 egg and 1/4 cup cornstarch. In a pan, add some oil, then cook your smelt on medium-high heat until they're just crunchy golden brown both sides. Shoutout na tayo kay Rayhanan Musa, Jasmine Piang Mayo at Jessa Sawyer. Salamat kabayan! Hanguin, then cook the rest of your fish. Ready na natin yung sausawan, mag-chop ng fresh shallots and sweet peppers. Add sa bowl. Up next, squeeze fresh lemon juice. We'll also add some soy sauce at konting sea salt. Then, mix. O ayan na, we'll line them up in a big dish. Partneran natin ng fresh sliced tomatoes at syempre, yung sausawan na gawa natin. Pwedeng panglaban sa vinegar at onion na sausawan. Kung gusto mo namang medyo may anghang, you can definitely add hot peppers. Garnish some fresh green onions at matikman na nga natin yung fried smelt na sobrang bango, napaka-crunchy. I wish you guys could taste this right now. Tara, kain tayo!